Xiaomi's next flagships might just make your old phone feel ancient, and it's not because of the processor. Meet the upcoming Xiaomi 16 and 16 Pro, set to launch before the end of September. They'll not only be the first phones powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, but also would feature a front camera upgrade so big you might ditch your DSLR. According to the latest leaks, both models will pack a 50-megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60 frames per second video, a wide field of view, and yes, autofocus, something you rarely see on front cameras. That means sharper selfies, smoother vlogs, and crystal clear video calls, even in low light. On the back, you'll get a 50-megapixel main camera with a large 1x1.3-inch sensor. The Pro version goes further with ultra-high dynamic range and a time-of-flight depth sensor. Both are expected to include a 50-megapixel ultrawide and a 50-megapixel telephoto, possibly periscope style. Powering all this is a massive 7,000 mAh battery, paired with a 6.3-inch flat OLED display. So you're looking at all-day performance with flagship visuals. With a front camera this powerful, are we entering the era where your phone replaces your Pro camera? Let me know in the comments what you think about Xiaomi's bold move.